Hello everyone, I am Shamota. I cracked the PAT 2021 in my first attempt with AIR 1545. Now I am going to share with you my experience about JPAT and going to tell how to prepare for JPAT 2022. I think this will be beneficial for those persons who are going to appear JPAT 2022. So basically we have lots of syllabus, we have lots of topics, but we don't have much more time, so we have to use our time in a smart way. First of all, download the syllabus of JPAT 2022 from the official website of NTA and take a printout, and then you should make a schedule that you want to study Sutex in the morning session, you want to study pharmacology in the evening session, like this way. And we have lots of subjects. We have classified the subjects into two categories: major subjects and minor subjects. The major subjects you must be covered, those are pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, very very important for GPAT purpose, pharmacology, analysis and cognosy. Under pharmaceutics, physical pharmacy, you can read it from Martin. You have to cover under physical pharmacy surface and interfacial phenomenon, micromeritics, viscosity, dispersion systems, colloid, suspension, emulsion, complexations. You should be covered from Martin. And then industrial pharmacy, you can read it from Lachman, tablets, capsule, aerosol, parenterals, suspensions, emulsions. Those are important topic of industrial pharmacy. Dispensing, there is pharmaceutical calculation, very very important. You can cover it from Mehta. Jurisprudence, under jurisprudence there is schedules, there is from number, acts, so you can cover it from Pearson. Microbiology, vaccine, serum, virus, bacteria, you can cover it from also Pearson. Farm engineering, you can cover it also from Pearson. Biopharmaceutics, there is from pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, and there is few calculations. So you can cover it from Brahmankar. Brahmankar is based for biopharmaceutics. And for pharmaceutical chemistry, one of the most important subjects for uh, JPAT, the scoring subject for Japan. Pharmaceutical chemistry, under organic chemistry, you can cover it from Bhal and Bhal. You have to cover the like bond polarity, bond angles, sigma pi bonds, sp2, sp3 hybridization, SN1, SN2 reaction, alkane, alkene, alkynes, carboxylic acid, all those things you have studied in your 11th and 12th standard books. You can read it from that books also. And inorganic physical part you can cover from Pearson, biochem from Satyanarayan. The cycles of biochem is very important, and medchem you can from covered it from Gisbold, Wilson Gisbold, based for medchem. And pharmacology you can cover it KDT and Rangindale, Garg Gupta. Actually, Garg Gupta book is based for revision. Tripathi and Rangindale, you can read it for pharmacology. You have to cover all those topics of pharmacology because it's very important. You have to cover general pharmacology, ANS, CNS, chemotherapy, CBS. All those are important in pharmacology. Analysis, you can read spectroscopy from Pavia, based book for spectroscopy according to me. Chromatography and titration, you can read it from Chatwal. And cognosy, Kokati is efficient for cognosy, no need to study other books. So cognosy, you can solve previous year's paper from Zipatic Companion by Inamdar. This is best book for solving previous year's paper. and you can solve these papers. This is very important to solve previous year's paper for GPAT, and there is few minor subjects like biotechnology, human anatomy and physiology. So you can read it, hospital pharmacy, pharmaceutical management, and these are minor subjects. And now I'm going to tell that you can follow Pharma Brains, which has provides us a lots of important notes and mock tests. The best part of the Pharma Brains group, you will be really shocked after listening that it was really totally free of cost. Thank you, sir. Thanks for everything. And I am requesting to those persons who are viewing this, that come here in place of me. You should share your knowledge in next year with your juniors. So best of luck to all those persons who are going to appear Japan 2022, and thank you for watching.